I just posted yesterday on Asianet. My talk was on Seaspiracy. That's a beautiful movie on how the so-called environment concept of the academicians which you show in your classroom, like a global warming, plastic hazard, all that are useless. I keep on saying this to many times, and many people don't believe it. But the last month there was a beautiful movie which came called Seaspiracy, which talks about carbon is not created on the surface by the vehicle which is running. Most of the contribution is from the sea. And if you don't save sea, the world is going to be bad. Number one. Number two, there is, when you refer that in Wikipedia, when I was reading about that movie after seeing and before seeing also, I gone into another movie which called Cowspiracy. COW, cow. When you drink 1 liter milk, you are drinking actually gallons of water. And those people who are drinking milk are the cause for the water scarcity in the whole world. Because the buffalo, the cow, how much milk they are producing, you multiply that, divide that by the number of years it lives, and the grass which eats, how much water it is being used. When you eat 1 kilogram of meat, you are eating tons and tons of grass and gallons of water. Because to produce that much meat, that much food is produced. More than the people who are dying out of COVID is dying out of hunger in this world. People don't take it into public. No news comes. That is because COVID is affected for the rich people. The poverty is affected only for the poorest. Media will not cover it. You understood? And who is the reason for that? All those non-vegetarian eaters are causing this. Because to produce meat, how much grain is being produced in America to feed the buffalo, cow, all that meat production. If half of that is distributed in different poor countries, they can have every day at least one meal. So understand, this is what is being explained in Cowspiracy, the movie, which is scientifically created. You may not get a lot of advertisement on that because you can see UN is not able to answer the questions made by the producer. The Greenpeace is not able to answer questions for those questions which he asks. Because those people are always publicizing the companies which feed them with money. It's all business people. So that's a beautiful documentary which is created. So when I am sending something, that will, if you are a real learner, you will get tagged by looking at. That's why when I got Seaspiracy, immediately I got Cowspiracy. I saw that, and the next radio talk I used it. So you get lot of tag. Invest some time. It's only 8 minutes of talk in a radio. But I'm sure that will give you a tag which can be, if you are a learner, you will know what is to be used for that as a tag for you. I'm sorry that that talk is in Malayalam. But I'm sure if you look at it, that word will be the Seaspiracy. That's good enough for you to connect it to that cinema, because I'm writing there. Right? If somebody asks what is Seaspiracy, I'm probably putting in English also. Otherwise, I will put in English. I think I was putting it only in Malayalam. Seaspiracy.